dear children, this is question number 12 from 2018 Physics Advanced Paper 1. And this is about motion of charged particle in a magnetic field. You can see that there is the xy plane given in the region y greater than 0. Xy plane y greater than 0 means positive y above x-axis. There is a uniform magnetic field B1K, K, positive K. And in the region y less than 0, below x-axis, there is another field B2K. So we have the diagram here. Let me just trace out this thing. Y-axis, x-axis. X and y. Positive y. That means above x-axis, I have a field. Z direction is out of the plane. Out of the plane. Outward on Z. So that is a magnetic field here. Outward. This is B1. And there is another one again in the Z direction here. That is again outward. That is B2. And somewhere here it is given that B2 is 4 times V1. Stronger field. Below the x-axis, stronger field. A positively charged particle is projected from the origin. From the origin, you kick a football. In which direction? In the positive y direction. So you are kicking your football in this direction. With a velocity pi. With a velocity. What will happen? Just to use Fleming's left hand rule for the force. Positive charged particle is moving along your middle finger. Magnetic field is along the index finger. And the force will be along your thumb. So velocity along the y direction. Field along the z direction. And the thumb will indicate a force in this direction. So the instant you kick it, there is a force. And this force is centripetal, you know. And this should be to the center. So center will be along this path somewhere here. And this is moving in a magnetic field B1. So that will create a path with the radius R. Radius R1 is given by mv divided by qb1. This will move in a circular path. Okay. Speed will not change. Now at this point, this is trying to enter along the minus z axis with the same speed v. But the field is now B2, stronger field. Again you use your Fleming's left hand rule. Velocity like this one, field inward, force will be acting to the left side. And center will be somewhere here. The second radius will be given by mv divided by qb2. But we know b2 is 4 times the other one. So that is mv divided by q4b1. This is actually r1 divided by 4. So r1 എത്രയാണോ അതിന്റെ 1/4 ആണ് പുതിയ റേഡിയസ്. So this will make a small circle. അപ്പം നോക്കൂ, ഈ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് തൊട്ട് ഇവിടെ വരെയുള്ളത് അതിന്റെ ഡയമീറ്റർ ആണ്. അതിന്റെ പകുതി റേഡിയസിന്റെ 1/4 ആണ് ഇതിന്റെ റേഡിയസ് എങ്കിൽ ഇതായിരിക്കും ആ പാത്ത്. Second path. Okay. Now what is the time taken? Time taken in the first field is given by time period 2 pi m by qb ആണ്. ഇത് half the revolution ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അത് pi m by qb1 ആണ്. And time period 2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് pi m divided by qb2 ആണ്. It's actually pi m by 4qb1. So T1 and T2 കിട്ടി. What is asked? Average speed of the particle in meter per second along x-axis. Along the x-axis. In a time interval t. And what is this t? Is the time when the particle crosses the x-axis from below for first time. നോക്കൂ, ഈ പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ താഴെ നിന്ന് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് x-axis ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? അത് T1 plus T2 അല്ലേ? ഹാഫ് ദ ടൈം പീരിയഡ് ഇൻ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് സർക്കിൾ, ഹാഫ് ദ ടൈം പീരിയഡ് ഇൻ ദ സെക്കൻഡ് സർക്കിൾ. സോ ദ ടൈം ടേക്കൺ T is the sum of T1 and T2. Is that okay? Question വായിക്കും. What is T? T t is the time the particle crosses the particle. See, ആദ്യം ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ നോക്കൂ, ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് എക്സ് ആക്സിസ് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, അത് ഫ്രം എബവ് ആണ്. പിന്നെ താഴേക്കൂടെ വന്ന് ഇത് മുകളിലേക്ക് വരും, വീണ്ടും ഇത് സർക്കുലർ പാത്ത് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ചെയ്യുന്ന ആ ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഹാഫ് ദ ടൈം പീരീഡ് ഇൻ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് സർക്കിൾ, half the time period in the second circle, and that is what I calculated as T1 and T2. Okay. Now distance travel, speed, average speed along the x-axis എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം along x-axis what is the distance travel? ഇത് ഫോർവേഡ് പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അവിടെ നിന്ന് തിരിച്ചു വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ അവിടെ വരെ പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് 2r1 ആണ്. തിരിച്ചു വരുന്ന എത്രയാണ്? 2r2. So the total distance travel is 2r1 plus 2r2. So S equal to 2r1 plus 2r2. But we know r2 is r1 by 4 ആണ്. We can use that one. And what is the total time? That is t1 plus t2. And what is V average? That is S by T ആണ്. So 2 into, we can just do that one, 2 into mv by qb1 plus 2 into mv by 4 qb1, 2 into mv divided by 4 qb1. I wrote everything in terms of b1. Divided by time period pi m by qb1 plus second എത്രയാണ്? pi m by 4 qb1, pi m by 4 qb1. Immediately you can see that so many terms are common, so it can be cancelled. Okay, so this qb1, 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 qb1 cancel. Okay, m cancel. What do you get on the top? You get on the top 2 by 2 plus 2 by 4, 1 by 2, divided by, at the bottom you get a pi plus pi by 4. Okay, so this can be, sorry, there is a term v, sorry, I missed that v term, sorry. On the top you will get a 2v plus 2v by 2v plus 2v by 4. 2v by 4 is nothing but a v by 2 divided by pi here plus pi by 4 here. But see, in the question what is given? v0 itself, the speed is pi, so this is actually equal to 2 pi plus pi by 2 divided by pi plus pi by 4. On solving this, you will get this as 2 meter per second. Okay, yeah, that is 5 pi by 2. This is nothing but a 5 pi by 2, and this is 5 pi by 4. So this will give you 4 by 2 equal to 2 meter per second. That is the answer. Okay, I wish that you are happy. Thank you so much.